90-second recipe, go. I had a nice little breakfast this morning of homemade banana bread French toast. Pretty good. Figured I'd share it with you. You want to start with 6 eggs. I do this so I can scramble some at the end. You'll see. Crack those in there. A little splash of milk. That was oat milk. And then whisk the hell out of them. You're just trying to blend it all together. I mean, it's whisk and eggs. It's pretty straightforward. Pretty good stuff. Set that aside. Next, I'm going to get this banana bread that my wife made. She did a great job. Chocolate chips and all sorts of goodies in there. Turned out really nice.
Just chocolate chips.
Just chocolate chips and bananas. Slice that into about, 1/4 inch thick slices. Next, get some oil, some butter. Let that melt in your pan. I used about a tablespoon of butter. Yeah, just one of those lines. And then you want to coat your banana bread slice and just pop it on in there. Let that egg cook. I'm doing 2 right here. The chocolate was a really nice addition to this sweet breakfast. That was about, 2 or 3 minutes, but you want to flip it. Turned out great. Next, scramble the eggs. My pan was really hot, so I lifted it up. I didn't want to burn it. Scrambled eggs are really easy to burn. Just constant stirring. Keep it going. And then there we have it. That was my breakfast. Hope you enjoy.